السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته طلبة الصف الأول الثانوي. Today we will continue unit 1 إن شاء الله. Okay, Cairo Private School. Okay, for boys, Country 1, English. Unit 1, Supporting the Community, Lesson 3 and 4, pages 8 and 9. Okay, we will begin the present simple tense. What is the present simple tense? The present simple tense, the first form of the verb, the first verb. Okay. We use the present simple tense, number 1, to express about repeated actions. Okay, number 2, facts. Okay, a true situation. Okay, a true situation موقف أحيانا بيكون صحيح. Okay, repeated actions like every day she goes to school by bus. Okay, a true situation, sometimes this situation or event or action is a true situation. He gives money to help people in his town. Okay. Okay, now with facts, scientific facts. Many examples like ice melts when we heat it, hot air rises, the sun rises in the east, the earth moves around the sun, the wind makes things dry, like this. All of these examples are facts. Okay, now timetable. Timetables جدول المواعيد الثابتة. Tomorrow the plane arrives at 7 a.m. Okay, arrives in the present simple tense. Okay, now how often? How often? It's a question in the present simple tense. How often do you eat fish? Okay, how often does she study English? Okay, the answers with once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, like this. Okay, how often do you eat fish? Once a week, twice a month. Okay, how often does she study English? Okay, once a day, twice a week, 3 times a week, like this. Okay, and now with the passive in the present simple tense, is are past participle. English is spoken by a lot of people around the world. Okay, is spoken. English is a subject here in this sentence, but in the main sentence, before changing into passive, okay, English is an object. Okay, English is spoken. Okay, the main sentence, a lot of people speak English. Okay, a lot of people speak English. Now we change it into passive. English is spoken. Is spoken is past participle. Okay, a lot of trees are planted. every year. They plant a lot of trees every year. Okay, this is the main sentence. Okay, active sentence. Okay, they plant a lot of trees every year. Okay, we change it into passive. We begin with a lot of trees are planted. Are planted past participle. Okay, now with the negative النفي in the present simple tense. Okay, we don't go to school on Friday. We can make the sentence in negative by using don't or doesn't, like this example. He doesn't earn much money. Okay, we can use never in the first sentence. We never go to school on Friday. The second sentence, he never earns much money. Okay, when we use verb to do like don't, doesn't, okay, followed by infinitive. This is the present simple tense. Okay, number one, repeated actions, a true situation, a true action sometimes. Okay, this action, this situation is a true. Number three, facts. Number four, timetables. جدول المواعيد الثابتة طبعا. Okay, like the school year starts in September. Okay, the bus leaves the station at 5. Okay, timetable in the present simple tense in the future. How often? How can we use how often do? How often does? Okay, number 6, the passive is are plus past participle, and number 7, negative with don't, doesn't, or never. Okay, now with the past simple tense. Okay, the past simple tense. Number 1. Okay, the past simple tense, completed action in the past. Okay, completed actions in the past, like he moved to London to study medicine. He moved the second verb. But the past simple tense is the second verb with regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs like move, moved. Okay, we add d, ed, or ied. Okay, number 2, action started and finished in the past. Started and finished in the past, like he wrote this book 5 years ago. Wrote is a regular verb. Okay, regular verbs we add d, ed, ied. Irregular verbs like write, wrote, go, went, like this. Number 3, use the to, اعتاد أن. Okay, use the to expresses about the past simple tense. Okay, she used to support the people, or she used to support the poor people when she was young, like this. Okay, negative, used to, نفي used to. He didn't used to donate blood when he was young. Okay, didn't used to. Used to, subject, like she, subject used to, infinitive, like the first example, she used to support, infinitive here. Okay, in negative, he didn't use to. okay, followed by infinitive like donate. Okay, he didn't used to donate blood when he was young. Number 4, passive. The passive in the past simple tense was where a past participle. A new hospital was built in my hometown. Okay, a new hospital. Okay, the main sentence, the active sentence, they built a new hospital in my hometown. Okay, يبقى a new hospital was built, was past participle. Number 2, a lot of lions were killed by hunters. Okay, a lot of lions were killed. Were past participle. Was were past participle with the object that changed into a subject. Okay, at the beginning. Number 5, the negative. Didn't. Okay, he didn't score goals yesterday. Okay, didn't, infinitive. Number 2, she never wrote an email before. Okay, never, when we make negative with never or by never, we use never plus the second verb. Okay, if we use didn't, infinitive. That's it. What after that we will see. Okay, some vocab. Okay, organization, local, cattle, livestock, past in, reduce, responsibility, guardians, attack, and biologist. Okay, okay, biology, علم الأحياء, biologist. Okay, biologist عالم في الأحياء. Take part, track, hunt, skills. Conserve, conservation, benefit, okay. Now with today we have the first group of choices. Okay, choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. The second collection now. Okay, please, okay, try to choose the correct one and then send me your answer.